Hi guys, Neil at Italia Autos here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Some bad news, unfortunately. The Alfa Brera that I had dropped off to me over winter for some accident damage when he crashed in the snow, the black one, that I spent hours and hours getting it looking perfect for, getting everything back in a line and making it look nice and pretty. Unfortunately, the customer called me and he was sat at some traffic lights and somebody had an accident, and the leave off is the accident car got pushed into the Brera and did a fair bit of damage to it. So it's here stood in front of me now looking in a very sorry state. So let's have a look at it and what damage has been done.
So guys, here's just a little reminder before we continue of the condition of the car when I first saw it way back in January. As you can see, it needed a bonnet and a front bumper. I did manage to get two replacements in what was almost the same colour, but unfortunately the bonnet did have a ton of stone chips. So yes, unfortunately this car is going to be finding its way to another insurance salvage site somewhere, and will be up for sale. I'm not sure whether anybody will be interested in buying it because it will need a lot of work. So good luck to whoever buys it. I will put a link to the original repair video at the end of this video. So enjoy the rest, and I shall speak to you soon.
So the what was perfect Brera, which was in a lovely condition, is now rather bent. We've got the side airbag has been deployed, so it must have had quite a whack. Wing mirror is broken, doors damaged and dented, wings a complete write-off, hole in the tyre, cracked and damaged the front bumper. So I've been speaking to the customer over the last week or so since it's happened, and he's been speaking with the insurance company that's involved, and they've offered him a really astronomical amount for him to buy it back compared to what the payout is. I'm not going to go into the numbers because that's between the insurance company and the customer, but this on Copart would probably be about £1,000 as it is, and it's a low mileage car, so with salvage, anything with the side airbag gone off really sort of demotes the value by quite a bit. So I would say this is probably worth £1,000 as it is, as an insurance write-off. Category S I would assume it's going to be because of the damage probably to the inner wing. So yeah, I've advised the customer to let the car go now because it's going to have had 2 accident repairs. He's going to be paying over the odds to buy the car back, plus probably the £1,500, £2,000 to get it repaired properly with the airbag damage and everything replaced. It's not worth it in his eyes. As though he loves the car and it is an amazing car, it's not financially worth him buying it back. So I'm taking the wheels off the customer and taking his speakers out of it, and you will probably see this on Copart in a few weeks time. So if you can get it for cheap enough, it'll be a worthwhile bargain because it is a pretty sound running car. So yeah, it's a shame for that one after all the hard work that went into it and the money the customer paid out to get it repaired. But I've tried to dissuade him from getting another Brera. I'm going to try and get him into a GTV. There is one I've got my eyes on for him, so there may be a video on that in the future. So yeah, that's an update on that one. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.